What up, fool? It's your girl Cream. And man, yo, this summer, the heat has been crazy, man. I don't know how it's been where you at, but it's early in the morning and it is already, I know, in the 90s. It is crazy. I think it's like 11:30 and it's heat is crazy already, but hope y'all staying cool. Stay inside if you can. If you're not, be at the pool or something, man, because it's crazy hot out here. I don't want nothing to happen to nobody. But anyway, I got another non-Jordan for y'all, man. I got a banger, y'all. Deion Sanders, man. He done reunited back with Nike in 2023 after saying he would, and I'm glad he did. I am so glad he did because I'm glad for what I got here, which y'all already know it. It's the Diamond Turf Max 96. So a little bit about the history. Deion first hooked up with Nike in 1993. He carried on Bo Jackson's line of cross trainers, brought it into his Diamond Turf line, and he started with the Diamond Turf 1s, then he with the Diamond Turf 2s, and then in 1996 he gave us the Turf Max. That's what I'm about to show y'all today, and I'm gonna get my ass out the way. I ain't even got nothing else to say. I'm for real this time. We gonna get right to it, man. Let's do it. We got the regular Nike box. Nothing special here with the box. So find the size tag, zoom us in so we can get right into it. So we got the Air Diamond Turf Max 96. Black, white, varsity maize is the colorway. And I went with a size 8 just because in the more athletic wear shoes, they tend to fit a little bit tighter. So I usually go up to an 8, 8.5. And I'm hoping that this 8 do it. We're gonna see. Put it on foot. We're gonna see. But I think it will. Just looking at it, I think it's gonna be all right, man. I think it's gonna be all right. Sheesh, get these things out, man. So glad, so glad that Deion decided to get back with Nike, man. Cause I'm glad to have these in the collection. Whew, man. We're gonna start from the bottom cause we here. All right, so you got a white bottom, you got a black toe cap, then down by the heel you got like a crack in the heel. And man, what that man Deion say, who you know got their face in the shoe, man? You got Deion Sanders in the bottom of the shoe in a bubble, you know, in that Nike air bubble, and I think that is dope, man. And then you finish out, the air bubble comes around the back of the heel also. But his face in that air bubble, that's a dope feature. Love that, man. Hey, that's dope. Then you finish out that bottom with a Nike, black Nike check. And the rest of that, like I said, you got the air bubble, nice white. And then you got that black toe cap. And the shoe is a mixture of suede and leather. So you got suede on the toe. Then you got like these shark looking teeth or mountains, whatever you want to call them, like claws. Like it goes so hard, man. It goes so hard with the nice gold Maize Nike check up in the corner by the heel of the shoe. And man, the strap, got the trainer strap on the tongue, and you got that white Nike check. It's a rubber check. And then you got that nice fitted tongue, and I like that because it makes it a better fit for when you are playing in these, man. If you are using these on the turf, you are using these on the court, it gives you that glove-like fit to your foot. And then you got this nice white symbol on the tongue tab to finish out that tongue. And then back to the side of the shoe where you got those like shark-like teeth or claws, whatever you want to call them. You got some nice holes. Like you got 3 holes, and then you got 4 holes, and you can see that maize color coming through those holes. Then you turn the shoe to the back, and you got a tab, a heel tab on the back of the shoe. Right below that, it says Air in white. You got a nice, it's like a triangle. We got that Air in white. Then you got that Maize Nike check on the back to finish the shoe out. And man, woo, I cannot wait for the other colorways. Nothing different on the other shoe, but I cannot wait for the other colorways to drop. These are a beauty. The details go crazy. I must say again, my favorite detail, zoom you in, zoom you all the way in, is that right there, man. Dion's face in the shoe. That's my favorite detail of the shoe. I seen the white and red colorway. I also seen a white and gold colorway. I'm excited about that also. And I'm just excited to see what Dieon and Nike can cook up, man. Want to really get a nice fit for these. I can't wait. This might be an instant wear. I'm not going to lie to you, huh? It might not be months or a year or anything like that before I wear these. These might be coming to you real soon, because these go hard. Dieon, Nike, thank you. Y'all, jump in the comment section. Tell me how you feel about the return of Dieon Diamond Turf Max 96. Do y'all like them? Do you not? Did you pick up a pair? Like, it was an easy cop. It was a pretty easy cop, I must say. Didn't have any trouble at all. They came in the mail very quickly, and here they are, right here for you to take a look and see if you want to go grab them, because I don't think that they're going for much. But holla at me. Let me know how you feel about them. Get in that comment section. I appreciate it. We going up, man. We're going to continue to drop these sneakers. We're going to continue to have fun. It's your girl, Cream. Kicks rule everything around me. Y'all be patient. Your time is coming. I'm out.